We're quite keen to build an eHaus for ourselves one day, and we thought if we wanted to build a warm, dry, energy efficient house for ourselves, then that's the same thing we should do for our tenants. And it was also about future-proofing what we built. It's a long-term investment for us, so we wanted something that was going to be warm and dry, and also we're wanting to make sure that whatever we built had a low impact on the planet, and so something that's energy efficient was really important to us.
For these types of builds, we've got a lot more insulation than you'd normally have for a standard build. You've got fittings such as the doors that have thermally broken so that there's not leakage of cold or warmth in or out of the house. We've got a ventilation system that means that you've got the climate controlled inside the envelope, as it were, so that means it's consistent in terms of temperature and living conditions. It also means you've got certainly a lot less chance of there being build-up of moisture or potential for mould and such like as well.
Tenants that will live here will really benefit from the living in a warm, dry, comfortable house. Hopefully they'll be nice and healthy. They won't get as many bugs, winter bugs and flus that they might have. The air will be filtered, so that should help anyone with allergies. Their power bills should be lower because they're not going to be having to spend so much money on space heating or water heating. We've rented both the properties before they're even finished, so it seems that people appreciate those things. So building with eHaus Taranaki has been a really great experience. It's been really easy to talk to and deal with. Any issues that have come up along the way we've just managed to talk them through and sort things out, and it's been a really good experience.
Yeah, I think as we've gone through, because it is a new build for us as well as them, and we're still sort of finding our way, so they've been great in terms of flexibility. I guess one example was the panel wall that we've put in. There was sort of various evolutions of that as we discussed it in terms of what would work well, and we're very happy with the final product, and I guess that was just sort of one example of working together and coming to a really good solution at the end of it.
Yeah, I feel quite proud of it actually. Yeah, I feel quite proud of what we've, between us, we've all produced, and that some tenants are going to get to enjoy it. Bit jealous actually that our tenants are going to have this lovely warm dry house, and we'll go back to our 1950s house.